Hello guys, this is EthiopTech. In this video, I will show you two basic AI tools, that's online AI tools. The first one is to check similarity of a given document or paper, and the second one to check the plagiarism. So now, directly go to the video. But before that, if you are new for my channel or this channel, just don't forget subscribe, like, and share. My channel name is EthiopTech. You can get while searching EthiopTech like this. EthiopTech. There are a lot of technology tips here, and you can enjoy it. Now let me go to directly the video. The first one, as I have said you, to check the difference of two papers. So you can search diff checker, checker, diff checker or difference checker. Here it is. A small SEO checker.com or simply small SEO checker, diff checker. Or for example, if let me open sample paper. If you open sample paper, okay, here it is. Okay. For example, this is the article that I want to send, or I want to submit a given journal or a certain journal. Let me check the difference. It is the article is to be sent to the journal, and I can paste here, change the text, and the other one, okay. Let me say this is the original text. Copy and paste here the original text. Now click on find the difference. You see, this is the difference. Here is the second version of the article, and this is the first version of the article. So the only difference in the left side is, or shaded or highlighted by a red color, is different from this, the second version of the article. And in the right side, this is on the second version of the article. The highlighted sentence word using the green color is different from this, the first version. So that means almost all content of the paper are the same. So I can check the difference of two papers like this before I send to any journal. Okay, this is good. As I've told you earlier, the second powerful tool is plagiarism checker. This plagiarism checker is not only uh, to show the similarity and difference of two articles or two papers, but it checks whether your article or your paper has duplicated content from any of previous published articles in any journals. It may not be from journal. It may not be from a specific publisher. That it can also check the content duplication or content replication from any website also. So let me go to this plagiarism checker. Now the free version allows only 1,000 words at a time. But if you want to more than 1,000 words, you can upgrade or you can pay. For example, here it is. Let me check the abstract first. Check the abstract. Copy, paste, and check plagiarism. This plagiarism checker is not only used to check the plagiarism from a journal, but it can also check the contents from AI. It can also detect the contents in your article, whether it comes from AI, whether it is generated from AI or not. So this plagiarism checker can also check or detect AI-generated contents inside your clip. You see, here it is now. Exact plagiarism it is 0%, and partial plagiarism it is 18%. From this abstract content, or this abstract content has 18% of partial plagiarism. So the content or the plagiarized content, this content is partially present in this site. That means this content and the content inside this site has partial relation, or the two content are partially related. Here it is the redirected page. It is a research get. Places. You see, there is an article here in a research get. So in this research get, there is partially related contents with my abstract here. Okay, good. Now let me check the introduction. This is smallseo tools. It is free version allows only 1,000 words. That's why I'm copying each individual part of all section of the articles and check separately. Okay. Paste here and check plagiarism. Okay. Oops. Why? Start, please. Now it's start and check. It's still taking. Yeah. There's many plagiarized content here in the introduction. You see, plagiarized content 0, unique content is 100%. So in my introduction, there is no any related and exactly what partial related contents from other papers or other website contents. So you can check all your article contents section by section, maximum of 1,000 words, like this. So after checking if there is any exaggerated plagiarism content, so you have to paraphrase before you submit to any journal. This is all about today's video or today's lesson. Thank you for follow up. See you next.